Samsung's latest smartwatch is all about sports, which will come as no surprise when you consider its name. Its design, too, exudes a fitness focus with a more sweat-friendly silicone strap and a smaller, lighter construction compared to the previous Samsung Gear S3. The smaller size is helped by the fact that there's no built-in LTE connectivity. Returning features include Samsung's now trademark rotating bezel interface, always on AMOLED display, decent battery life and somewhat divisive Tizen operating system. Where it has the edge over the Gear S3 is swim-friendly water resistance to 50 meters, which is on a par with the more recent Apple Watch devices. But while there's much to like about the Samsung Gear Sport from a fitness perspective, it lacks some refinement to make it a more compelling smartwatch, and neither does it really move the Gear smartwatch series forward. When I reviewed the Samsung Gear S3, I found it rather cumbersome to wear. It was a gargantuan wearable and looked comically big on my wrists. Thankfully, the Gear Sport is of a more manageable size. Its thickness isn't much more than an Apple Watch Series 3, which means it's less prone to snagging on sleeves when you want to look at it. Samsung has shaved about 13g of the weight as a result, compared to the Gear S3 Frontier, with the Gear Sport weighing a far wrist-friendlier 50g. As mentioned, much of the size and weight is shed through the lack of an LTE modem, which was a feature of the Gear S3. But when you consider that the implementation of LTE connectivity on the Gear S3 wasn't as seamless as seen on the Apple Watch Series 3, which has a single shared phone number between phone and wearable, it isn't something I miss on the Gear Sport. Read more at http://www.trustedreviews.com/reviews/Samsung-Gear-Sport number sign 6QER2WRUXMXDFA6R.99.